In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on downtime on your iPhone. Downtime is a feature that helps you take a break from your screen and only allows user-selected functions like calls, messages, and specific apps. It's great for managing your time and reducing distractions. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Screen Time. After that, tap Downtime. What you want to do next is tap where it says, Turn on downtime until tomorrow. Now, downtime is enabled on your iPhone until tomorrow. During downtime, only apps that you choose to allow and phone calls will be available. You can change who can call you during downtime. To do that, go back and tap where it says, Always Allowed. And then tap Contacts. You can set this for specific contacts or for everyone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.